Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft, and in today's video I find myself back in the Lake District and I'm on a wild camp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you around the location where I am. I'll show you my camp setup and we'll have a look at a few new pieces of gear. Right, let's go and have a look. Right, okay, I'll take you through my camp setup first. We'll start with the tarp, which is a Cornelius 10th Wonder, upside down. And if we go underneath, we've got quite a few new pieces of kit here. This is the UK Hammocks Woodsman X with the adjustable foot box. I've got the Snugpack under blanket, and inside, I'll tell you what, we'll look inside later. I've got the whoopee slings there with the carabiner. Sorry, that's not a whoopee sling, that's a continuous loop onto a carabiner, and then the whoopee sling up to the tree using webbing and the toggle hits there. And the ridge line is this really thin Dyneema, and you can just about see there I've got a Dutchware hook. You can see there I've got the Night Eyes figure 9 used to go around the tree and then put some tension on and then lock it off. And then I'm using the pusset loops there, Dyneema again, just with a carabiner. And the tie outs for the tarp are just with a little carabiner. I've got my paracord with the bungee built in, just to give it a bit of give, like that, but it still stays taut. And then I've got a Fairmont hitch on there. Right, so that's where I'm sleeping tonight. And if we just wander this way, not very far, you can see there that I am by some water with quite a nice view. That's not a bad view, is it? But if we go like this way and we go up here, got water that way. And if you carry on, you just see my camp there. Carry on down here, down here, down here, down here, up here, and you've got water. And down here, there's my kayak, which might give you a clue as to what I'm on. More water, more water. That's a strange tree. More lovely views, and you may recognise this particular part of it, part of the island, which is where I came in last time when I tried the Prowler 13 kayak out for the first time. So yes, in this particular video I'm going to be spending an overnight camp on an island. Right, so back in the hammock I've got a Snugpack quilt, and then I've got a cheap blow up air mattress in there. Oh, you can see that very well. And then underneath that I've got some thin plastic foam which goes the whole length of the hammock. So hopefully that'll keep me warm. but I shall let you know in the morning. Right, another bit of kit that I've got is the Alp Kit Jackal cook set. It comes in its own little bag like that. Got my spork. So that's the unit. It's got two handles. It's got a protective cover with all the instructions on. It's got a rubberized lid with a strainer on that side and a drinking sort of spout that side. That's like a pressure valve, pressure release valve. We've got the cup, which I bought separate, which is a Sea to Summit folding cup. Again, all new kit. And you've got the gas canister inside there, C100, small one. And then that's the unit itself with the igniter, and then you've got the adjuster on the side for the gas. So that's that goes on top of there. So might as well screw that in. I mean, that's on. Let's just try it. Yep, can hear that. So that's good. And then the last thing is this little stand, which again I bought separate, which just clicks in to your canister like so. So you've got a sturdy base to sit the stove on. What I'm going to have tonight is one of these. Look what we found, chili con carne. And you can just boil these in the bag and just put that in there in some water, heat it up, and then eat it straight from the pack, and you don't even get your pot mucky. And that was £1. That was £1. That wasn't £1. This is new as well. Adventure Ridge. I think I got that from Aldi, but it was a nice good size bottle. It just fits in the water bottle holder in my kayak, perfect, and it's got measurements on the side. So I thought that was quite good. Of course I can use this water again. So we've got the igniter there, and then they've got the that was easy. And that just clips into there, like so. And then it twists, I think. That's it, it's locked in. So we turn that up. And then that can go in there. Right, I think that should be done now. Feels hot. Taste test. Ooh, that is hot. Wow. Very easy to do that. Really nice. Actually, look what we found, chili con carne with kidney beans and red peppers, all for £1. I'll be getting a few of them. Well, I did actually. I got the meatballs one and I got the chicken casserole as well, to be used on another camp maybe. Right, I've just fired the Jackal back up to make a brew, and I'm doing this, I think it's called cowboy style coffee, as I saw on Wiltshire Man's video. So thanks for this, Sandy. Just while my coffee's brewing, I thought I'd just bring you around the island and see some of the colours that I'm seeing. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but it's a lovely reddish colour in the sky. It's reflecting on the lake. It's amazing. bubbling away now. I can't remember how long you're supposed to do it for, but I've just had a bit of a wander around for a few minutes, so I'm hoping that's going to be alright. So what I will do now is I'll get the cold water, turn this off, and try and sink the coffee granules down to the bottom, see if it works. I have put some milk in. I don't really like black coffee, I like it with a bit of milk. You can certainly taste the grounds. Oh, it's nice. Very nice. Good morning, everybody. Well, that was a eventful night. About 9:30 I heard voices and I thought, oh, can't believe this. I've come all the way to an island and someone's going to discover me. I heard these voices getting closer and closer. I thought, they're on the island, they're wandering up, they're going to discover me. Then the voices moved off round and I heard a bit of a splashing about. I don't know whether they were wild swimming or they were in canoes or kayaks, I'm not sure. But I heard the voices go around all around the island, and then eventually they got more distant and then disappeared. So they're obviously just having a bit of a nighttime explore. I don't think they came on the island. I think they just pulled into the sort of landing area where I came in the kayak, sat there for a bit and had a chat, and then they went round the island. So because I'm elevated up on the top of the island, I don't think they bother coming up that far, so I wasn't discovered. That was alright. Was I warm last night? Yes, I was. The snug pack, under blanket and quilt were very good. I had my softies on as well, and I had to put this hat on later on because it got quite cool. I did bring this, which is a outdoor thermometer. I just dangled the lead over the side for the outdoor reading, and I had the main unit tucked inside under the quilt. It went down to 6.5 degrees outside, but it was and it went down to about 15 inside the quilt. But at the moment it's on the floor because I've just dropped it. It's 8 degrees, and inside 24 degrees. So that's nice and toasty. So yeah, the underquilt and the under blanket and the quilt were very good. Was I comfy? No, I wasn't. I didn't have a great night's sleep. Up till about 2:30 in the morning, I just could not get comfy. I don't know why. I've not done much hammock camping. This is only the second time really I've slept in a hammock. So I think I'm still finding my feet or my back or my head, because I just couldn't get comfy at all. So about 2:30 I got up, went to the loo, and then I tried rearranging the mattress and the foam pad and everything. I've tried to lie on a diagonal, and I got a little bit comfier, and I think I did nod off. So I'm going to get up now, get a brew on, get some breakfast. I'll pack up, and then I'll paddle back to shore. This morning I'm trying one of these Adventure Foods Expedition Breakfast. You basically tear the top open, you fill that up to the number 6 mark on there. Give it a stir. You can seal these back up. They're resealable. Seal it back up, and you leave it to stand for 8 minutes, and then away you go. Right, I've just had this. It was like a porridge with bits of apple in and raisins. Sounds quite nice, but if I'm honest, it wasn't really. If I had to say what it resembled, to me it was like vomit. And I'm sure I've heard people say this before. That wasn't a nice taste at all. Right, it's time to leave. I'm all packed away now. Got the new wetsuit on, the full length wetsuit with protective knee pads. Yeah, it's been good. Like I say, not the most comfortable of nights, but I need to work on that. It's a beautiful morning. The sun's just coming up over the hills. It's over there, and this is where I was. Leave no trace, unlike some people who think it's a good idea to try and set the tree alight. For those who have already spotted where I am, well done, and for those who haven't, I'm on Wildcat Island, or Peel Island, in Coniston Water, and this is where they filmed the 1970s film Swallows and Amazons. This is where they camped up here. Did quite a bit of the filming from here as well. A little bit of history to it. Right, I've took all my gear down to the kayak. I've just got these few bits. Got my PFD to take down, get loaded up, and then we'll head off back to shore. Right, that's me back to shore now. The car's still there, so that's good. It's been a good trip. I've had a chance to try out new kit. Not done any wild camping for a long time, so it's good to get out. I hope to do a lot more. If you do want to see any reviews on any of the kit in the video, then please leave a comment and I'll try and do a more in-depth review on those pieces of kit. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.